Have you ever seen these looping geometric shapes dancing across a screen? They're called Lissajous figures, and despite how complex they look, they are made using two simple waves. Imagine a single dot moving on a screen. If we move it left and right with a sine wave, it traces a horizontal line. If we move it up and down with another sine wave, it traces a vertical line. But when we turn both waves on at the same time, the dot creates a Lissajous figure. The shape you get depends entirely on the frequency ratio between the two waves, how many times the vertical wave oscillates for every single horizontal oscillation. Let's start with a 1-to-1 ratio. Both waves move at the exact same speed. If they are in sync, the dot moves diagonally back and forth, tracing a straight line. If we delay one wave slightly, the line opens up into an ellipse. When they are out of sync by 90 degrees, the dot traces a perfect circle. Now, let's double the vertical speed to make a 1-to-2 ratio. While the dot completes one horizontal sweep across the screen, it goes up and down twice. The path crosses through the center, forming a classic figure 8 or infinity loop. What if we try a 2-to-3 ratio? Now, for every 2 horizontal cycles, the dot completes 3 vertical cycles. Watch the outer edges. The dot touches the left and right walls 2 times, and the top and bottom 3 times. The result is a woven, ribbon-like loop. If we bump it up to a 3-to-4 ratio, the grid gets denser. The dot touches the sides 3 times and the top and bottom 4 times, building a complex mesh. Notice the rule. You can count the lobes or contact points along the axis to immediately read the frequency ratio of the waves. If we slowly shift the timing, or phase, between the two waves, the loops drift smoothly across the grid. This continuous shift creates the striking optical illusion of a 3D wireframe object spinning in space, even though it's just a single dot moving on a flat plane. Now, watch what happens if we lock the horizontal wave at a fixed 1 kHz and sweep the vertical wave all the way from 0 up to 10 kHz. As the vertical frequency climbs, the figure rapidly morphs through every ratio, stretching, twisting, and multiplying its loops in real time. As we push the parameters further, the simplicity of 2 perpendicular sine waves gives rise to staggering mathematical complexity. By tweaking higher-order integer ratios like 1317, continuously sweeping the phase angle, or layering multiple wave harmonics over each other, the clean wireframes evolve into dense, intricate geometric tapestries. What began as a single oscillating dot transforms into complex, lattice-like webs, glowing 3D toruses, and hypnotically rotating visual spirographs. When we combine all these different frequency ratios, phase shifts, and amplitude variations together, we see a whole universe of patterns emerge. From simple circles to intricate mathematical tapestries, Lissajous figures prove that extraordinary visual complexity can arise from the simplest fundamental waves.